Hello friends, in this video we will solve 30 questions with official answer key, and these questions were asked in CTET 2021 paper level 2nd English language 2nd portion. First we have a passage, and after reading this passage we have to answer some questions. Question number 121 to 128. Passage: the richness of her childhood experience came from living a life which embraced the tradition on one hand and exposure to the world of change, of questioning and questing on the other. Her father's progressive ideas, his involvement in bringing about change in the restricted Brahminical society, his encouragement of Kamala Devi to follow her own inclinations and yet give her an opportunity to study in a school and participate in all the social functions with which he was involved as a senior revenue official, gave her confidence. The example of her grandmother, who lived the life of a scholar and fearless woman, who travelled alone without any fear of any social disapproval or adverse consequences, was a fitting example to Kamala Devi, who later travelled all over the world, often risking her life. Girzabai, her mother, was a dominant influence throughout her childhood and youth, who set an example by overcoming all difficulties without a murmur. She discarded meaningless social customs and observances. She championed the cause of women. Her conviction was that a woman must educate herself so that she could be independent, and her insistence that Kamala Devi should not only study but also participate in cultural activities and sports enriched her daughter's life. Kamala Devi went with her mother to Shivasadan and saw her exotic women, even older than her, to become literate. She heard her read to them from the newspapers, magazines, and extracts from books by social reformers and nationalists, followed by discussions, and saw their attitudes changing. Girzabai's love for music was shared by Kamala Devi, and she was encouraged to learn North Indian and Carnatic music. This love of music was a great source of peace for Kamala Devi in her later years. Questions: which embraced the tradition? The word embraced here means followed. Next question: in example, by overcoming all difficulties, the word overcoming means conquering. Next question: living a life which embraced the tradition. Which part of speech is the underlined word? Here word which is a pronoun. Next question: which two contradictory kinds of experience did Kamala Devi have in her childhood? Childlike and adult, social and individual, questioning and questing, tradition and change. Option fourth. Next question: her father did not believe in allowing children to join the adults in their activities, female education, removing Brahminical restrictions, giving freedom to children. Option third. Next question: which of the following statements is not correct of our grandmother? She was not afraid of social criticism. She travelled unescorted. She believed that women should lead a secure life. She loved to read books. Option third. Next question: which of the following statements is correct about her mother? She preferred studies to sports. She did not believe in adult literacy. She struggled through life smilingly. She observed faithfully all the social customs. Option third. Next question. Study the following statements. Kamala Devi's mother read to her from newspapers and magazines. Music was a source of great comfort to her. Correct answer: option fourth. Next we have one more passage, and after read this passage we have to answer the questions. Question number 129 to 135. Passage: the goal of independence was achieved in India through a prolonged struggle, during which the far-sightedness of the leaders of the freedom movement resulted in giving a final shape to our social and economic goals to be achieved after freedom. This vision imagined to build a self-reliant nation through maximum utilization of the resources in men and materials, and the establishment of a noble and liberal society. It has been an article of faith amongst the policy planners in India that while economic strength determined the scope and quality of political freedom for millions, the quality of freedom depends on increased work and production in factories. It leads to just the equal distribution of wealth among the people so that the poor can also enjoy the benefit of freedom. This, it is recognized, is possible only through increased employment opportunities in the society. In human terms, democracy means availability of equal opportunities to all the people irrespective of caste, creed, sex and religion to develop their personalities. It means access to education in arts, science and humanities, and also awareness of our age-old values and traditions. It needs to be emphasized that the Indian policy has been based on a concern for the individual not only as a worker working for the economic development of the society but also as an end in itself. In the Indian context, the concept of national development goes far beyond economic growth. It is concerned with the creation of a nation united in one purpose of people speaking different languages, professing different religions, and rooted in a variety of cultures. Questions. Question number 129. While economic strength determined the scope, the word determined means established. Next question. Are social and economic goals part of speech of the underlined word is here and is a conjunction. Next question. In the Indian context, the concept of the word concept means care, inception, curiosity, idea. Idea is the correct answer. Next question. The independence was achieved in India through violent means by making use of every resource available through a long struggle by self-reliant leadership. Option third. Next question. Our leader's vision of independence India was based on economic self-reliance, diversification of employment, boycott of foreign goods, development of defense forces. Option first. Next question. In addition to economic growth, our society as a consequence also needs to pay attention to climatic changes, just and equitable distribution of wealth, development of countryside, to give importance to cultural variety. Option second. Next question. Study the following statements. Along with economic growth, we also want to develop a united nation with one aim. A noble and liberal society depends entirely on economic wealth. So, correct answer, option third. Next question. What does free writing approach to writing promote? Understanding of the content and fluency, syntax and language use, understanding of form and accuracy, grammatical accuracy. Correct answer, option first. Next question. Pedagogical grammar means that being from form and move on to use, teaching through immersion. All grammar teaching should be rule focused, teaching grammar in context. Option fourth. Next question. Which one of the following is not advocated as an element for assessment in a poem? Grammar, vocabulary, poetic devices, theme of the poem. Grammar is the correct answer. Next question. A teacher asks her learners to watch a movie 2 days ago and now she asks them to have a discussion on what would they do if they were the hero or heroine of the movie. What is this assessment task known as? Speaking task, thinking task, extrapolative task, critical pedagogy. Correct answer, option third. Next question. What does fluency in reading mean? Ability to interpret the text, ability to read without any grammatical errors, ability to read a text at ease with expression, ability to read a text without any mistake at all. Correct answer, option third. Next question. Which of the following statements are true of languages in India? English is the official language of India. Hindi is the national language of India. Hindi is the official language of India. English is the associate official language of India. Correct answer, option fourth. Next question. Declarative knowledge in learning grammar refers to knowing the ideas and concepts in learning, knowing to use a dictionary, knowing the rules of a grammatical item, knowing how to do grammatical items. Correct answer, option third. Next question. Habit formation through repetition is a component of which method? Task-based language teaching, constructivism, communicative approach, audiolingualism. Correct answer, option fourth. Next question. A teacher of class 8th asks her learners to bring at least 2 or 3 objects from home and she asks them to exchange the objects among themselves. She now asks them to describe the objects in their hands in at least 10 sentences. What are the objects known as in language teaching learning materials? Teachers' materials, inputs for language learning, realia, home objects. Correct answer, third. Next question. Which one of the following components is a process in the top-down approach to teaching learning of listening? Recognizing prominent details, recognizing the topic, discriminating between intonation compounds, discriminating between phonemes. Correct answer, option second. Next question. A teacher arranges her learners into pairs and gives them a text of 2 paragraphs. One learner in the pair reads out the text to the other and the partner takes the dictation. Then the process is reversed. What is this known as? Running dictation, composition dictation, jigsaw dictation, partial dictation. Correct answer option 4th. Next question. Mechanics of language in speaking skills includes social and cultural rules of using language, script, words and sentences, pronunciation, grammar and vocabulary, clarity of message. Correct answer option 3rd. Next question. Jatin Raghav is reading fast, looking for specific information in a machinery manual. What is this reading sub-skill known as? Bottom-up reading, critical reading, skimming, scanning. Correct answer scanning. Next question. Here are some sets of words in some patterns. Find what are these known as in teaching learning of pronunciation. Bit bat, did dad, hid head, lid lad, miss mess, pin pen, lock luck. Vowels, stress and intonation, contrastive pairs, comparable pairs. Next question. Words which one recognizes when one hears or sees them are explicit vocabulary, implicit vocabulary, productive vocabulary, receptive vocabulary. Correct answer option 4th. So friends, these were 30 questions which were asked in CTET 2021. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if you like this video then please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, thank you so much and all the best.